Good morning, good morning, good morning. Or should I say, good afternoon. I spent the majority of my morning in here getting my edit on. Story of my life, right? And I got broke from my edit because I got a package in that I've been waiting on to come in for quite some time. I had ordered myself the 10 gigabit upgrade for my Synology NAS, which is this guy right here. I also went and looked at the bottom because I know that you can add some ports to the bottom, and I didn't realize that I could actually add 2 NVMe sticks to the bottom for caching. So, in case you don't know what a Synology NAS is, think of this as a large hard drive where I store a lot of my stuff. However, it's one big hard drive that's made up of 4 hard drives, so that if one of the hard drives go bad, it can fix itself with the other hard drive, if you will, right? Alright, so let me set this up in the window so you can actually see what's going on. Alright, so this is what we're doing. Alright, let me see if I can show you this. Alright, let's widen this out. Okay, so this middle is my hard drive that is connected to the computer. This is a regular hard drive. So this side over here is the fast side. This one is the slow connection. So we're gonna grab this file right here and we're gonna copy it to the slow connection. Now watch. See it? Okay, it's done. And this file is bigger. Now we're just gonna move it over here using the fast connection and boom, instant. You seen that? Just boom, it's there. This side I had to think about it. This side it was just instant. Boom. All right, good morning. Today we are headed out to start our day to get pictures of a building, actually a church building that I did some pictures at. They wanted me to come out on a day and get some pictures when no one was there. So we're headed out there this morning to see if we can't snag us some pictures when there's like nothing going on, no cars in the driveway there. This is gonna be for their website. And then we are headed to the studio for a full day in the studio. I think we mainly have birthdays, so yes sir, shout out to all the Jan babies. I'm a Jan baby myself. My birthday is January 23rd. You feels me? My wife's birthday is January 16th, so her birthday is next week, and then mine's the week after that. So yes sir. Yes sir. Let's go get these pictures of the building so we can get into the office and we can make it do what it do. All right. So change of plans. I'm pulling up to this place and they look like they're doing something. Oh well. I suppose the whole plan was to pull up and get pictures and stuff while there was no cars, but it looked like they're having some kind of service. So we're gonna do a whippy brownie. So change plans. We'll come back another day. All right. So we done made it out here to the studio. I gotta go back out to the Jeep. I left my drinks out here. So we got in, we got set up. We're waiting on the next one, on our first one to show up for today, which actually, I wonder if they're coming. I don't know. I think we got them down for 12:30. The studio. I gotta go out here the way old Chef O at. Chef O. Gotta go gets with Chef. Chef whipping up something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what he got going on. We going to find out, y'all. We going to see what's good. I think we gonna see Chef in the morning. Yeah. I get to see Chef tonight. I get to see Chef in the morning. I don't think I get to see Chef tomorrow night. Oh man. We get a tri-chef factor.
Fresh French Toast Station today. Fresh French Toast. Look right here. Thick French toast today. It's fresh, real thick, golden. Brunch toast. It ain't brunchos. Brunch toast. We got a fresh batter here. Rich cream in there. Lots of sugar in there. Lots of sugar. Lots of cinnamon in here. Lots of flavor in here. Vanilla in here. All the French man stuff in here. I'm a French man today. I'm a French chef today. All the French stuff in here. This French toast got sugar in it. It's meant to be sweet. Okay? We're gonna take it out. Look at this French toast. Gonna sit it right in here. So we're gonna take some BFF. That BFF. Gonna drop it right there. Gonna move it around. Get some of that fresh cut bread. Fresh, rich, gluten. Dropping it in. Gonna coat it. Gonna sit it in here. French toast today. Got a beautiful brunch punch, sizzling. Mr. Howell got a nice station set up. I want to taste some. Cold, sweet, gorgeous, power, teamwork. Gotta have teamwork. Back in the day, you just had your regular old white bread, sliced it up, was already sliced. That was it. Now we done got all bougie, sophisticated. We want thick French toast. We want the French stuff, European stuff. We want everything now. We gonna get it. We got it. Chef gonna make it for you, baby. Call me. 727-481-7959. Sit on down. Don't worry about working. We got you. Hit me up.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Make it taste better. Take it off for a second. You're the man.
All right, started the morning off at a brunch. Brunch came out really good, man. Old Chef Mario in the house, making it do what it do. Now we headed to Vanguard. We gotta go ahead and take pictures of the girls' basketball team. And that's gonna wrap it up for the day, man. So let's get in there and get it done. Let's go.
Butterflies ring, yeah.